How to legally pay. Less taxes and keep more of your money. The illusion of control. What if I told you you're probably paying more taxes than you legally have to? That your hard-earned money, yes, the same paycheck you wait for every 2 weeks, is quietly slipping away. Not because you're careless, but because no one ever taught you the rules of the game. The truth is, most Americans in their 20s and 30s treat taxes like a black box. File, pay, forget. But if you're not actively planning for taxes, you're donating extra money to the government. And no, I'm not talking about shady loopholes or offshore accounts. This isn't a Bond movie. I'm talking about legal, IRS-approved strategies used by wealthy people every day. Stick with me, because once you learn this, you'll never see your paycheck the same again. The shift, understanding the game. The tax code. Rewards behavior, not income. The IRS doesn't tax everyone equally. It rewards people who contribute to the economy in specific ways. Want to know the secret? The tax code is a guidebook of incentives. Start a business, you're rewarded. Invest in real estate, you're rewarded. Fund retirement, you're rewarded. Basically, Uncle Sam is like that friend who only texts you when you do something he likes and ghosts you the rest of the year. So instead of asking, how do I pay less tax? Ask, how do I act like an investor, not just an earner? Maximize tax-advantaged accounts. Your future self will thank you. Let's talk about 401ks, Roth IRAs, and HSAs, the holy trinity of tax shelters. 401k. Contribute pre-tax, reduce your taxable income today. Roth IRA. Pay taxes now, grow money tax-free forever. HSA. Triple tax benefit. Save, invest, and spend. All tax-free. Imagine planting a tree today, and in 30 years it drops golden apples. Tax-free. But if you're thinking, retirement accounts are boring, wait until you hear how entrepreneurs can quadruple their tax savings. Start a side hustle, even a small one. Did you know starting a small side business, even just selling digital products or freelancing, unlocks powerful tax benefits? Deduct part of your home, internet, laptop, phone. Write off courses and books that level up your skills. Even that coffee you bought during your client meeting could be a deduction. Yes, that means your side hustle Sundays at Starbucks might be your new tax strategy. This isn't just about income. It's about shifting your identity. From consumer to creator. From W-2 employee to business owner. Learn the power of above the line. Deductions. Most people chase tax credits and forget about above the line deductions. Things like student loan interest, traditional IRA contributions, health insurance. If self-employed, moving expenses for military. These reduce your adjusted gross income, which lowers everything downstream. Your tax bracket, eligibility for credits, even how much student aid you can qualify for. It's like finding out there's a secret coupon code for your taxes, and no one ever gave it to you. But what if I told you, you could buy assets and pay almost no taxes at all? Invest in assets that are tax-favored. Let's talk about how the wealthy use capital gains to pay less tax than most workers. Long-term capital gains are taxed at 0 to 15%. Dividends, tax-advantaged. Real estate, you can deduct depreciation and defer gains through 1,031 exchanges. Ever wonder how billionaires make millions and pay next to nothing? They're not hoarding cash. They're buying appreciating assets and borrowing against them. So now you know how to keep more of your money legally. But knowledge without action is just potential. What do you do now? The action plan. Move like the wealthy. Do. Here's your next move. Audit your current taxes. What are you missing? Open tax-advantaged accounts. Automate contributions. Start a side hustle, even if it's small. Track deductions. Use an app like Keeper or QuickBooks Self-Employed. Invest with intent. Buy assets, not liabilities. Every dollar you save on taxes isn't just a win. It's fuel for your wealth-building journey. This is how people escape the rat race. not by working more, but by working smarter with the system. In the next video, we'll show you how to build a tax-free income stream for life using just 2 tools. So hit subscribe, because the IRS won't wait, and neither should your wealth.